Hey everyone, welcome to the second explainer video for the new blockchain.art platform called Construct. In our first video, we did a general overview of this main page that you would use to make your collections. In this video, we'll have a closer look at this first panel on the left, which is your code editors. Before we get started, please see the description below for links to the website, as well as our Twitter and Discord accounts. Now let's have a look. So this far left panel is the code editor panel, and it's made up of several different sections where your code will be written. These different sections can be used to help keep your code more organized and easier to work with. Let's have a closer look at each one. So the first one is functions. You'd use this section for any functions that you want to declare. Functions are reusable code blocks that allow you to encapsulate a specific piece of functionality and call it anytime from multiple places in your program. Everything written in here is in scope for your setup and draw code blocks. Next is the setup. This code block is called once and is for declaring any functions, objects, or data needed by your draw code block. For example, you might want to define some colors or do some pre-processing of data prior to your draw code being called. Anything declared here is in scope for your draw code. The third section is the draw. This code block's for drawing and is called every frame. An art piece can draw continuously in a loop, or it can accumulate to the screen until it reaches the end of its drawing process. Either way is fine. However, if an art piece does reach the end of its draw, then the draw should return a 1 to indicate that the art is complete. This piece is returning a 0, which means it's just going to continue to draw. Overall, the functions, setup, and draw are all important components of making art and animations with code. Functions help you do specific tasks, the setup section gets everything ready, and the draw section is where you create your masterpiece. This final section is the collection data. This code block will contain a bunch of code showing the properties for each piece that form your collection. There's a button to pop out a grid view, which is a more visual inspection of the collection. Make sure your collection is saved before moving to this view. One way to add pieces into your collection data is over here on the project panel in the properties section. If you like a piece like what we see here, you can hit the plus sign and piece number 1 is created. If you're shuffling through your collection and see something else you like, hit the plus, piece number 2 is created. Alright, well, that concludes video 2. I hope you're enjoying this series. Keep an eye out for video number 3, where we'll continue to explore the platform. Thanks for watching.